Everyone, this is Coach Julio again. I'm going to show a couple of exercises using a foam roller, but if you don't have this, you can actually use like a broomstick, something that's a little bit higher than this would be great. For our purposes, this foam roller will work well. So let's get going. These two exercises, or exercise number one, is designed to pull back our posterior chain and work these muscles here, which are your mid-traps. The opposite happens when I'm on a computer watching TV or gravity's pulling down, my arms want to round, my shoulders want to round, and I call that Mr. Burns look. I'm going to show you something really simple. Literally, we can even do this sitting, but let me do it standing. This is without the foam roller. My arms are fully extended, I reach through my fingertips, I'm inhaling, and then I pull back my shoulder blades, I exhale. I reach through my fingertips, smell the roses, exhale, blow out the candles, show another one, reach through my fingertips, and then I pull back my shoulder blades. All this is being done without shrugging, and my shoulder blades are being pulled down into my back pocket. All right, next thing, you're like, I want a little bit more challenge, I got that down, we'll use the foam roller. Level to my chest, nothing changes, reach, 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 pull back, right? Smell the roses, blow out the candles. My partner takes really good care of these planks. Exhale, and I think you got that down. All right, for the lower body, balance, fall prevention. Very simple exercise, not necessarily, because there's a learning curve to it, and safety is number one. The first thing you want to do is just practice going side to side. You know, you can do a clap, you're like, hey, I got that down. All right, so the next thing, you can have a broomstick or something similar to a foam roller, and my feet are almost together, you prefer. It goes out to one side, I catch, goes out to the other, I catch, there you go. You get to choose how far out, and that's your exercise. Again, it could be a broomstick, it could be a light, it could be anything you want. It could be your cane, assuming it's high enough. And if you want to add a little bit more exercise, you can do a head tilt. You have to use your discretion. If you have any questions, if this is safe for you, make sure you reach out to your doctor, and that's very important. So that's pretty much it. Hope you like it. Don't forget to post your comment and stay safe. Thank you.